Affinity Photo, how to create text that's filled with text and also fill it with live text. So if you change your mind, maybe you decide you don't want the word type, you want the word text or word or something else, all of them will change as well. So let's just remove this. Key panel for this, layers. So just expand that out and now just create some text. I'm just going to go to the artistic text tool, click there, and I'm just going to create the word type. Now at this point, I can just keep it like that, but I can add layer effects, and I'm just going to do that later, but I'm just going to go with this exactly like that. Also, if you want to change the colours, you can go to the artistic and maybe just change it, just so you can see it stands out a bit more. So just go with that. With that design, I can hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate it. But if I do that, all of the type will be different. They will all be separate. So if I change one, it won't change the others. So what I need to do is go to Layer and down here. And this is the only time you need to do it, right at the start. So duplicate linked. So duplicate linked. Now you see there's a little link there. And you can resize it. Resizing and rotation doesn't matter. But if you change things, so just go over here, go to again to the artistic text tool, and you decide, oh, I don't want that colour. I want maybe blue. You can see they will all become blue. Also, you can go to, say, Effects, click there, and you can go for Outline. And as you change that, they will all change. They will both have the same outline, or however many copies you've got of it. Also, you can add, say, an outer shadow, exactly the same, and close. Now, if you want to remove the links, there's videos on how to do that. You can go to Window, and there's an option here, Links, and it gives you all the various linking between them. But I don't want to do that, but I just want to point out you can break the link as well. And I'm just going to create some more type. So let's just create type by holding down the Alt or Option key and dragging, and that will duplicate it. But each and every time it will be still linked. So you can do this, create multiple types. And also you can resize it. So just resize, maybe rotate, and so on. Hold down the Alt or Option key again and create multiple. You can fill the entire screen with the word type. They're all linked. They're all the same. So if I go over here, again, artistic text tool, and I select one of them, maybe this one, got blue there, I can then change the colour. So I can say, oh, I want green, and they will all go green. But what you can also do is, let's just go for this one. This is the one I'm going to use. The one right down, just down the bottom. All the others I'm going to place inside this one. So just let's select it. Select all those, hold down the Shift, select them all, and then go to Edit and Cut. And now I can resize this. I just want to be slightly bigger using the Move tool and just resize that, and then Edit and paste inside. That's the key thing, paste inside. Not paste, but paste inside. And all of that type will be pasted now inside that word type. And you can then move it around, reposition it, and you can resize it if you don't, it's just not filling the entire design. But this point, you can just go here and you can say, oh, I don't want the word type. What I want is the word text. I've made a mistake, so I'm just going to go over here, artistic text tool, just select that and select that. And you can see it's all selected, and I can change the word. So text, and as I type it, you'll notice what happens. Now, of course, it's lost the colour. It's lost that one that was obviously, I could have carefully avoided that, but you can just select the word again, just go down there, any of them, doesn't matter. So select that one and just select that. You can see I've selected, can't see it particularly, it is selected. I can change the colour, so click there and I can make green, and they will all become green. Now, of course, the top one, you won't see that. It's not, that does not become green. Well, you've obviously got the text inside that's creating the colour for it. Also, you can, again, continue to move around. So reposition it, change that, and maybe change it to different words. Also, again, hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate. And still, this design will still be linked. So you might think, oh, that area over there just doesn't have enough of the word text. And you might decide you want it slightly smaller, and you can change that, rotate that around, and also click Effects, maybe modify the various effects here, and click Close. You can also select the top text and resize it. and move it around, reposition it, rotate that. You can also hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that design as well. And repeat that. And repeat that. Now, as you do this, you'll notice what happens. It slightly lags. It's not the quickest. To say that just changing again, if you decide, you know what, I want some of the text to be changed, just simply go to the artistic text tool, again select that. Now as I change that, let's put it to Word. Or you could change the font. And you can see as you do it, slightly slow. It's not instantaneous. And again, maybe change the colour there, maybe make it green, and all of them, again, will change to green. But it will process it, but it does take a few seconds to go through that. Now, if you go to one of them, so say you select this one, you can go down along here, and obviously my screen is slightly too short. You can see the word convert to curves. I can convert that to curves. So if I click that and just convert that, you'll notice it becomes a group, and now all the link has been lost. As far as it's concerned, that type design, that's the thing that's linked, not the curves. So the curves, all that's been lost. Now, if you want to actually create this design with your text all linked, but not as text, you could have to start right at the beginning and then duplicate it using the duplicate linked, but convert it to curves first. As soon as you convert to curves, that linking is definitely lost. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.